Good evening, Toastmasters, and Bhavna in particular. Today, Bhavna, you gave Project 5, and Project 5 primarily focuses on your gesture and body movement, your stance, how you stand, how confident you are able to convey your eye contact with the audience, and along with, it's not just that the gestures have to be in isolation, the gestures, how they are in sync with your verbal message. So that is what the Project 5 that is what is the objective of the Project 5. Of course, you also use the things that you have learned earlier in terms of opening body and closure. Now first, at the outset, what I would like to say is, Bhavna, you chose a topic which is, it's not easy. It is quite a tough topic and you managed it with elan. For choosing this topic, a very courageous decision. Let us give Bhavna a great applause. That was for the topic. You presented the whole, we were very clear about the purpose. Ultimately the purpose was to sensitize the audience about the, shall we say, the threat that a woman faces even in such mundane locations as a bus stop. And Bhavna conveyed this across to us in a very clear and I would say that there was no room for any misunderstandings here. So I feel the purpose for which she set out for in terms of conveying a certain thought process, it was very well done. Very well done, Bhavna. When we look at words, when we talk about, we are all talking, we speak words, but ultimately when the thoughts are conveyed, our thoughts get conveyed to each other by images. The words form images, and those images are what connect us to the audience. Now here is what I felt, with an excellent message, with an excellent composition. Of course, you chose a very good topic which you experienced, which helped you to convey the feeling that you experienced at that particular when you were in such a situation. You conveyed it in a beautiful manner, and you also added a very, if you ask it, it is a very, very contemporary is not the word, very crucial, and at the same time something which every woman probably faces at some point or the other. So again, the thing is that such a topic which impacts so many people, taking up such a topic and doing it on Project 5, very good job. Now I would say these were the positives: clarity in terms of presentation, confidence, the way you presented yourself, there was natural body movement, maybe 90% of the time it was absolutely natural. So nothing where we could say that there was not a thing. One thing which I felt, considering what you were trying to convey, was when you were putting across your explaining the situation you were in the bus stop, possibly if you had shared the emotions that you were going through in a more clear manner, because you had explained you had shown us the portrait of a guy, a psycho, whoever it was. So our focus went to that guy. But what we would have connected with you more would have been if you had, shared the feelings that you were going through, being lonely, looking for support not coming, and having face such a guy alone. So that could have enhanced your speech much more. So that was the only thing that could be possibly, you can look at it when you're coming forward to the next speech. That's what I'd like to add, and for a fantastic job done, Bhavna. Let's give her a very good